Alright, Holden Captiva center console removal. This is a prick of a job actually. So start with this bit. This has got 4 10mm bolts going in the sides at the bottom, all 4 corners. Okay, and then this piece here, often that'll be closed when it comes in. You've got to push that down, push it back. Down in here, down the bottom, you'll have 2 10mm bolts. Just turn the light on here. You can see that one sitting there, and in here there's another 2 10mm bolts. Okay, so once you've undone all those, you can remove that piece. This piece all comes out as one. The side panels don't separate because they're screwed backwards up in here and down in here. So you've got screws up the side obviously, but then you've got to get this center panel off. Glove box has to come out. This panel has to come off under here. So the glove box is just screwed around top and bottom. This panel that comes along here, which is this trim here, that just pries off. It's just clipped all along. So pry all that off. I don't think we had a screw through that one. Just check that's not tied up with the glove box screws, it may be. And then once you get all that off, down in here, right here, there is a body clip, so like a Phillips screw body clip, which it also has them at the front of this piece. Down the front there, you've got to take out. Screw there, same on the other side. And then also this steel panel housing this wiring here, you've got to undo that to get it out of the way, and you'll be able to pull that out. The stuff around the gear stick there itself is, or the gear selector, depending if you're auto or manual, but the trim just pries up, it's just clipped in as well. But yeah, it is a job getting all that off. You've got to unplug your brake switch just to release the wiring to get that off. But so that is center console removal for a 2016 Holden Captiva, or any Captiva with this style of center console. Okay, I hope that has helped you out today. Don't forget to click the like button and also click the subscribe while you're there. We've got a bunch of diagnostic solutions and tips and tricks for professional mechanics like ourselves, and also for the serious DIYers at home. So click that subscribe and the bell so you get notified, and we will see you in the next video.